Today we are going to be reading The Ultimate Friendship Adventure. Hello, my name is Rhino, and I wanted to come up with lots of things my friends and I can do together to have fun. So let's follow along with Rhino's fun adventures. Depending on the weather, we can stretch to make snow angels. So can we do 2 jumping jacks just like we would do to make snow angels? We go 1, 2. We can walk in the park, so let's walk in place. We can also climb trees. So let me see, 4 high knees. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's some good climbing. If we have to stay in, we'll take turns to visit. And we can have a dance party. Let's see 10 seconds of your best dance moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretend we're rock stars. Let me see that awesome air guitar. Awesome. Or we can bake yummy food. So let me see, do your hands in a big circle like this, like you're stirring the pot. And to end the day, we will have a sleepover. So let's do one big last stretch before we sit back down. The end. Thanks for listening, guys.